Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Benedetti's rotation. This puzzle was designed by Gregory Benedetti and made by Rombol. Difficulty level of the Benedetti's rotation is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to take apart this kind of a cube looking puzzle into 2 parts with just 8 moves. Actually, you have to take it apart, then assemble it in 8 moves and put inside the box. So it only takes 8 moves to put the puzzle inside the box. But it will be quite tricky since, as you can see, there are 2 parts, only 2 parts, which is quite rare for a puzzle when there are only 2 parts, but they are quite complicated, as you can see. Each piece has a unique shape and they are connected together, and it seems like there is no way out. But actually there is, and you have to find it, and you can do not only like linear moves, left, right, up and down, but you can also rotate parts, and that's what's make it quite a challenging puzzle. Rotations are always much more trickier than regular moves. So it will be quite a fun puzzle, not very difficult to solve, but it will be a great puzzle for beginners to understand how such type of puzzles work. And it's also a very beautiful one. If you like the Benedetti's rotation puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.